Now, the center is set to hold a pan-India dummy COVID-19 vaccination drive from January 2nd. This is the same kind of mock drill which it conducted recently in 4 states, which the Health Ministry said was concluded without any major glitches. Now, in this particular drill, there will be 3 session sites created in each capital cities in the states, as well as one district will be chosen which has poor connectivity to check the logistical balances. Now, why capital cities? This is because most capital cities have the high number of caseload of COVID-19 in each of the state. Now, the purpose of this drill is to test the end-to-end efficacy of the vaccine drive, which will be conducted on a mega scale as soon as a COVID-19 vaccine is approved. Now, there are hints that an approval might come just in a few days. Do not forget that the SEC is also holding a meeting on January 1st to review the submissions by Serum Institute of India, Bharat Biotech, as well as Pfizer. Now, what will be tested in these mock drills? Now, first, the creation of facilities, identifying and setting up will be done. Second, the using of CoWIN application, which is the flagship program of the government to coordinate the nation's efforts of the vaccination drive. Session site will be created. These sites will be mapped. Then health workers' data will be uploaded onto the application. The receipt of the vaccines will be tracked. Vaccine allocation will be tracked, as well as session planning will also take place on the IT platform and will be tested during this mock drill. The deployment of vaccination teams, the logistics mobilization at each of these sites will also be checked. Now, there are 4 key steps how the center is going to monitor this particular drill. Now, first, each of the district will have 100 beneficiaries receiving the vaccine doses, and the vaccine will be transported from the nearest depot to the vaccination site. So, the transportation part will also be checked. The temperature of the vaccine, its movement throughout will be tracked and checked. Now, SMSs will also be sent out to beneficiaries in advance, and it will be checked whether it is going to the right person in the right manner. The SMS will contain information about the vaccinator and the vaccination time and date, venue as well. Finally, at the vaccination site, the crowd will also be checked. There will be separate sites, one for waiting, another for injection, the other for observation, which will all be tracked and monitored by the teams over there, which will ensure that no crowding takes place. Now, the teams will also be trained to report on any adverse events which will be reported at a certain period of time. Now, these are the details that you need to know about the upcoming vaccination drive in all over the country. Now, these are all the details you need to know about the dummy exercise the center is conducting across the country to test the mega vaccination drive it will soon be launching. You can leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. Also, like, share and subscribe to TV9 News.